Hey guys, let's take a look at this protective case made by Star TRC. This one is for DJI Osmo 7 and 7P gimbals. Let's check it out. Take a look at it. It looks great. Comes with this shoulder strap that is adjustable. Also a handle. That's what it looks like on the inside. We have the space for miscellaneous items that you want to put in there, and it fits all the accessories for the DJI Osmo 7P and Osmo 7 perfectly in here. You can, if you have the handheld or the grip tripod, you can put it in here. I'm just using this for my extra accessories. This is perfect. This is for the module. You can put the transmitter and two mics in here. I just have the DJI Mic Mini that I'm using for that spot. So this is what it looks like. Check that out. Great and beautiful design. It is also waterproof. A great case to keep all your Osmo gimbal accessories in one place and protects it also from the weather and from damage.